I'm going to be making a sunshine smoothie because we could all do with a little bit of sunshine. The ingredients for this are pretty straightforward. Frozen mango, frozen pineapple, some milk and yogurt and a banana. So it's full of fruit and full of calcium in the milk as well. So you need a blender, and it helps if you put the liquid in first because it stops the blender from blocking up. If you add all the frozen food to the bottom, sometimes the blender can get stuck. So we'll add the milk first of all. That's about 300 ml of milk. And then we're going to add the pineapple and the frozen mango and the banana. It doesn't matter really if they are, they don't have to be overly ripe for this because you've got a lot of sweetness from the mango and from the pineapple. And then I'm just going to add some thick yogurt here as well. And then just blend it for a couple of seconds and we'll have a lovely bright smoothie. Have a little taste just before you serve it, just to make sure that it is sweet enough, that the texture and the consistency is right. I like a nice thick smoothie, and this is it. Oh, that's really nice. It's really refreshing. Now, if you like it a bit sweeter, you could add a tiny bit of honey to it. I don't think that needs it though, with all that fruit in there. And then we'll just pour that. And we have our lovely sunshine smoothie.